Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So redeeming a gift card adds balance to your Amazon account, which you can then use for rentals, purchases or subscriptions on Prime Video. So go to Amazon website first. Okay, so open Amazon website, not just Prime Video. Sign into your account. Okay, redemption is handled via Amazon. Go to gift card section. So navigate to accounts and lists. Okay, select gift card. So you have to find it here. Okay, so you have here many options. We have account, order, recommendations, browsing history, or shopping preferences, watch list, video purchase, rental. Okay, so you have to find here the gift card. So this is where balances are managed. Okay, so after that, click redeem a gift card. So enter the claim code, confirm, balance is added instantly, verify your balance, check your updated gift card balance, ready to use on Prime Video, use on Prime Video, like open Prime Video, rent, buy or subscribe, and balance is applied automatically at checkout. Okay, so what happens after redeeming? Funds are stored in your Amazon account, used automatically for eligible purchases, no expiration in most cases. Okay, there are also some common issues that happened, okay, like code not working, so double check code or region compatibility, balance not showing, so refresh account or log out and log in. Also can't use balance, so ensure purchase is eligible. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.